got eyes on it. And inside it, we have a slime, a bowl, a spoon, and warm water, like this garden. I think I'm going to see. Okay. I got it. I got Trisha. What do you do with it? What is that? Green groups in a bowl. There are 2. Another 3. I did it! Scoop of warm water. It turned to green! It's green! It's green! Add the water. It's green! Mix for 40 seconds. Smell? It's so yummy! It smells good, everyone. Do you want to smell it, everyone? It's good. I'm going to add more water. So what makes? Wow! No. I don't need help. Oh, that fell off. Now I'll go with the both side. I can mix it with my finger. Ooh, it's sticky. Okay. It's so slimy. Martha slime. It's so crazy. It's thick. I can't see my hands. I can't see. I can't see my hands. So, okay. Wow. I just wash my hands and I can taste my slime. I taste it.
Oh no!
It tastes like a Play-Doh. Yes.
Does it taste like a green apple?
No, it
No?
tastes like a slime.
How do you know what slime tastes like?
It tastes like gooey.
It tastes gooey.
It's so sticky.
Is it good?
Mmm. I do like it. Slime. I did slime a dumpster.
Slime monster.
Slime. It's fun to play. It's sticky. I want to eat it. It's so greasy. Ah! The infamous slime video. The slime. It's so greasy. It gonna get you.